What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we want to learn how to stabilize camera footage inside of Premiere Pro without plugins. And it's really simple and easy to do. This is a beginner tutorial, not an expert tutorial. Experts already know how to do this. So let's get started. Today we have the clip in our timeline right here. From our window over here, you can see it. It's there. It's a little shaky, a little bit handheld, which is nice, but we want it to be like super smooth and stable. So there's a really easy setting inside of Premiere Pro, and it's really easy to use. Let's go to Window and then Effects. Opens up our Effects tab. From here, we want to type Warp. As you can see, Warp Stabilizer. Let's drag Warp Stabilizer down onto our footage, and it automatically starts to analyze our footage. As you can see, our footage has been analyzed and it's probably been stabilized. Oh, our footage is now really smooth. How about that? It looks great. As you can see in Warp Stabilizer, there's a bunch of different settings here. Typically the default settings are really great. I don't really find myself changing them very much. The auto scale is here. Auto scale means it does have to scale the footage up so it can stabilize it. So the footage is actually past the borders right now, and yeah, it's like de-shaking it for us to make it stable. If we copy this above it and then get rid of Warp Stabilizer, you can see that the footage is actually zoomed in a little bit. So it helps it become stable. Otherwise, I don't think, depending on your footage, Warp Stabilizer works pretty well. And you can actually go in here and change the smoothness tag or whatever you want to really smooth it out. Let's go to like 100 just to see what it would look like. And yeah, it looks super smooth. And that's how you use Warp Stabilizer inside of Premiere Pro. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan that QR code on the screen. Helps me out a ton.